Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the basics right. Connect the Solo 3 and pick a flat EQ so you can hear changes clearly. Once paired, set audio quality to the highest available. This preserves low-frequency content. Next, reduce any device-based bass boost. This avoids muddy overlap when we add targeted processing. Now open your music app or DAW and choose a test track with consistent low notes. These steps let you apply precise adjustments rather than stacking unpredictable boosts. You'll now shape the spectrum. Push a low shelf between 60 and 120 Hz by about 3 to 6 dB to emphasize the weight you want, and choose a gentle cue so it sounds natural. Then sweep around 200 to 400 Hz and cut 1 to 3 dB if the bass feels boxy. This clears space for the lows. Once done, use a high pass on non-bass elements to prevent masking and listen for rhythmic clarity. Small changes translate strongly on small headphone drivers. Finish by controlling dynamics. Use light multiband compression on 60-120 Hz with a 2:1 ratio so bass stays consistent during transients. Set attack fast enough to catch peaks but not dull punch. If low end is unclear, narrow stereo image under 150 Hz so bass centers and hits harder. Finally, verify codec aux/aptX, full battery, and clean Bluetooth link. If you hear dropouts or distortion, revert boosts and retest. Those checks fix most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.